Oh no, not again. How much will that cost? That's the regular refrain from drivers all over the northwest because the repair is going to cost someone some money. In 1992 alone, insurance companies forked out £3.5 billion putting vehicles together again. This garage on the outskirts of Manchester repairs dozens of crashed cars each year. The customer expects the car to be put back into the same condition as it was in before the accident. Here, that means they will only use panels and repair parts supplied by the original manufacturer. But to keep costs down, insurance companies tell body shops to use panels made by independent companies. On average, these non-original or copy parts are about two-thirds the normal price. And not surprisingly, big car makers are unhappy because this loses them money. But though they're cheaper, copy parts may not last as long as manufacturers' originals. Ford compared their own panels with cheaper imitations and concluded that the non-Ford wings were lower in quality. Although independent parts offer a 6-year corrosion warranty, many repairers don't like them. Their trade organisation, the VBRA, says copy panels don't always match properly.
The main problem that a repairer has with these is the fit, and we do have several problems around top of the lights, the bottom of the panels, where basically a lot of extra pressure has to be put on and take a lot more time to actually put that repair right.
And time, they say, means high labour costs, making the job cost almost as much as with an original part, but with lower quality. The companies making copy parts deny there's a problem with them.
We've been supplying panels, our industry that is, for over 20 years, and the level of complaints is very, very small indeed. And there has never been an accident in the history of our industry that has been attributed to the using or fitting of our parts.
But the people who do fit the parts say it takes them a lot longer to fit because they don't fit.
Well, that isn't the evidence that we have. People buy them regularly. Over 3 million parts per year are sold in the industry. They're fitted by the body repairers, and we just don't get that level of complaint.
But few of those body parts are requested by private customers. The owner has little choice when it's an insurance job. And though the Consumers Association says it means lower premiums in the long run, the VBRA claim customers are not told when copy parts are used in an insurance repair.
A survey that I did of members, it did show that around about 15% of them had actually been told not to tell their customer, the policy holder, what type of panel was being put on the vehicle. Now, as an association, we say the customer should know what is happening to his vehicle.
Liverpool's Royal Insurance encourages the use of copy panels, but only on a vehicle over 4 years old.
Our responsibility is to return the vehicle in a better condition or similar condition to prior to the accident.
You don't see it as a duty then to tell people what parts you've used?
Not as a duty. If the car goes in for a service, they may fit a non-original shock absorber exhaust or whatever, and it would be difficult to tell an individual in every case.
So, if you want to have been used in a repair to your vehicle, ask and get it in writing.